Akiaria mwena wa gicua-ini hindi ya kigomano kia mibango wa kamiti ya Mbunge igie migunda, Kaimenyi augite watho ucio ni uguteithiriria thirikari gwetha njira ingi cia kuriha ene migunda iria yaiyukio ni thirikari gutwarithia tabairira cia uthii wa nambere muoroto ari kunyihia garama ya marihi macio.
We must look for alternative ways and means of ensuring that there is compensation. One of the alternative ways, because at the moment the law is very clear, is monetary compensation. So one of the alternative ways is an equivalent lot in terms of value. It's government boards. So that again, we don't have to be in a situation where we must pay money yesterday. Because once you compulsorily acquire land, then you must pay for that land quickly. And this land, people demand billions of shillings.
Ihinda riu Kaimenyi no oritie Mbunge yo kuhitukia mitaratara ingi ya watho, imwe yayo ari watho uria uikaine ta Sectional Property Act uria urahe wiathi mundu wothe kugura gicunji kia nyumba rondu umwe na watho wa uramati wa migunda ya muingi uria uratanya kuhe kamiti cia muingi hinya na wigiririki wa kuramata migunda iyo.
The Sectional Properties Act will give force in law so that our people are empowered to own their apartments. Community land is going to be managed by Community Land Management Committee. So these fears that community land will be grabbed, it will not.
Maya magithii nambere ya matiganite ya kamiti ya Mbunge igie migunda matongoretio ni muikarĩri wa Uria ni maugite ni meharirie kuoya matamu na gutigirira kihoto na igiriki ni cia thingatwo ruhonge-ini rwa migunda.
People who are landless, resettlement, we would like it to be given a big budget because there are many people in this country who are landless.
Tukufata gukorwo tugiaka nyumba ingi kama ofisi mangi ma land registry na makiria gukorwo tukihe mwihoko na hinya na tools cia kuruta wira kuria rutitwo amawira kuria thini wa county citu.
Ripoti ya ica ikuhi ya bengi ya kimabũrũri iroiga garama nene ya kuriha ene migunda na gwikururia kwa macira ma migunda magoti-ini niyo mihinga minene ya uthii wa nambere guku bũrũri-ini. Handũ-ini ha Kameme TV, niĩ njĩtagwo Kariuki wa Wachira.